morning. We're back to normal routine, you guys. May pasok na mga bata. To make a lunchbox. And back to my gym clothes. May kasya pa na. Ayan. Ay, meron pa palang water bottles eh. Right, dun sa taas. Tulog pa sila. It's already 7 o'clock. Ginigising ko kasi yan, 7:30. And si Ben, tutulungan niya naman ako this morning. And may appointment tayo later, kaya sasamahan tayo ni Ben. So, let's do breakfast and lunchbox. Ay, naiinis talaga ako dito sa mga bags ko. Bibili na talaga ako ng electric fly zapper. Nakakainis. Nalaloka ka sa kanila. Na-miss ko yung coffee machine ko. Ay, na-miss it. May swimming pala si ate mamaya, so huwag kakalimutan yung towel niya.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know?
Harley's awake, guys. Noong si Riker tulog pa, noon na siya nagising. And kape na tayo. Si Ben, natapos na yung kanya. And mag-raisin toast ako. Yum! Ano na? 7:52. Ayan, almusal nila guys, with Bix with strawberries and then mango and banana. Tinakpan ko muna kasi inis na talaga ako dun sa mga fly ko. Alaga pala. Visit.
When has she got therapy?
Baon tomorrow. Back to
Oh,
therapy na
it's
sa
on Wednesday now.
Yeah, it's on Wednesday now, the OT and speech.
So you'll take her to therapy and then you'll pick Riker up or me?
Her therapy is 1 o'clock now, earlier than Thursday.
What's that, 1 o'clock?
1:45. Sorry.
Oh, that's good. That's good because then it's not too long a day.
Yeah. Then I'll pick up Riker. I can pick up Riker after. Riker's awake and he's so excited with his wheat bix and strawberries. Dahil ang tagal niya hindi kinain. Because he doesn't eat wheat bix in the Philippines. I don't know why.
Maybe he doesn't like the milk there.
No, I buy the milk. I buy the lactose-free milk.
Oh, okay.
So
I didn't
it's
like
not
the
oat milk.
What's she
Riker
gonna-
have an announcement, you guys.
What's he going to tell?
Louder. You have the mic there, though.
You've been telling all our friends. You've
I
been
know.
telling everyone.
What's your announcement, Marla? What's your announcement? If you're so excited with this one, You're so excited with this one.
Say it nice and loud.
He left the earth, guys. He just woke up. He had a nice sleep. That's what he said when he woke up from the plane. In the plane, he said, "Mommy, I had a nice sleep. We landed in Sydney, and he said he had a nice sleep." Hello. Are you wakey now?
I did eating.
Okay, sorry. Okay, what's your announcement to the guys?
There's a baby in mommy's tummy.
Yes!
let's
Did you
show
guys
Mommy.
understand that? There's a baby in mommy's.
Tummy.
I know. He's so excited.
Are you going to have a brother or sister? You're going to have some mango?
Yes, 14 weeks exactly today. Hey? Oh my God, the baby is the size of a navel orange.
It's getting bigger.
No. Are you excited? Riker's been always excited. He's so happy, aren't you?
I want to watch the baby.
Oh, you want to watch? She loves watching the weekly baby update. Yeah, we're 14 weeks now. That's the baby looks like now.
Gonna be the eldest.
Daddy.
Yes, buddy.
Look. Okay, who wants? Yeah, so we have an appointment later. Our ultrasound, 14 weeks, 13 to 14 weeks ultrasound. So we'll hear the heartbeat na ng baby. Hey, Riker, Daddy's gonna record later, and you're gonna hear the heartbeat of the papas.
What's a baby?
Yeah,
When we pick you up from school, we'll show you.
we'll show you
We're gonna
after
spy on the
school.
baby today.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a look at the baby.
Can I walk in the baby too?
Oh no, but you're not allowed in there, Baba. Sorry. And you'll be at school too.
When you come home from
When
school,
you come home.
We'll put it on the TV. We'll connect Mummy's phone to the TV. And
Okay.
We'll watch the baby all together. It's going to be beautiful.
How much I love you. You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Off to drop the school, you got.
You're pregnant, Mum. Harley, what's this tree?
Off to drop the kids to school. Hey, first day of school,
Oh,
Ali.
she's smiling.
happy. Oh, I love
That's
you.
good. That's a good
Riker is
sign.
at right at the back, you guys. You can't see him.
We're all going to drop her off, aren't we?
Yeah. You wanna come?
Daddy, you want to pick me up?
I'm going to pick you up. Yeah.
Are
I'll
you gonna
pick you
pick
up
me
and Harley.
So we have our appointment later for the baby at 11:20.
Are we there yet?
We're nearly at Holly's school. And then we'll drop Riker off. Are you gonna go on the meeting or go back to the house lang?
I'm just going to work somewhere. Josh and Nicola go.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Riker's back to school, guys. Okay, you have to wear your hat, baby.
That's not bad.
Ayan, dito muna tayo sa mall, guys. Si Ben, nag-work lang siya. And ako, bumili ako ng moisturizing cream. Kasi super dry ng face ko ngayon na skin. Hindi gumagana yung Korean skincare ko. So, bumili ako nitong CeraVe. So, sabi ni ChatGPT, maganda daw yan. Ay, hindi pa ako nakabili ng body oil ko. So, bumili ako nitong bio oil. Ito yung gamit ko rin nung kay Riker. Ano mag-isa kay Riker? Meron sanang nirecommend si ChatGPT na Gaia. Kasi natural ingredients din siya. Kaso hindi siya available. So, dito muna tayo sa TK Maxx. Tingin ako ng pajama kasi nag-declutter ako ng PJ school. So, nakakuha na ako ng dalawa. US brand naman kasi itong mga to. So, kinuha ko muna small. Kasi kasya naman sa aking tiyan pa. Yan. Yan, ganda ng tela niya. Super lambot. Kasi nagtingin ako sa Pinas. And wala masyado sa mall. Yan ang pangit ng mga tela niya. Alam mo yung mainit. Gusto ko yung mga relax lang. So, titingin ako ng long sleeve din. Kasi palamig na rin. Ito, ang ganda niya. Kasi 3-piece na siya. Kaso, walang medium sana. Kasi parang maliit yung niya. Itong top. Ito, ang ganda nito. Benetton daw. Cute lang. Super lambot ng tela. Ayan, lunch na pala kami guys. Tapos na kami magpa-ultrasound. Ang cute-cute ni baby. Nag-share lang kami ni Ben ng salad. Sarap na ito. So then after this, na namin si Riker. Pick up na namin. Then Holly. So yeah, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung picture niya. And si Ben, bawal kasi mag-video guys. So pero pinabidyo siya ng konti. Binidyo lang naman niya. 4 seconds tsaka Kailangan ko ba siyang turuan mag-video? Yeah, saglit lang niya binidyo, pero marami naman akong pictures. So, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ang cute-cute niya. Ang galaw-galaw niya. Ha? Ang galaw-galaw ni baby. See, that's why I can't finish the whole salad kasi so sabi ko, hati na lang kami. Kasi ang dami-dami nito. Pinadagdag ko ng avocado eh. Yan, may avocado. May halloumi na, may chicken pa. Sarap-sarap.
I love all that.
Yeah, it has walnuts and pear. Sarap ng salad na to. Kain tayo. But yeah, it's so wiggly, no? Ini-stretch niya na yung hands niya. Riker's gonna be so happy. Hindi lang namin na-videohan yung nag-i-stretch siya. Pakita sana kay Riker na gumagalaw si baby. Yung kay ate. Pero ma-excite naman na sila yan kasi may shape na talaga, na talaga si baby. Baby na siya. Ang itsura niya hindi yung Yung first scan kasi dito, 8 weeks eh. Tapos second is 14. And then, yung third niyan na ultrasound is, 20 weeks na. Para malaman yung gender. Pero ang kapatid, ultrasound kami niyan sa Valentine's Day. Para malaman namin na mas maaga yung gender ni baby. Kasi hindi ako nagpa-blood test eh.
Happy Monday.
Is it Monday? Tuesday na baby. He's back home. Harley's back home na rin. And doon na namin sila. Look at my tummy, you guys. My 14 weeks belly. Si ate, nakaligo na rin sila nandiyan na sa taas. Mamaya pakita ko yung picture sa kanila. Hinihintay na ni Riker to. Kanina pa. And i-haul ko muna habang wala pa si Ben. Itong pinamili ko kanina. Pero nakita niyo naman na sana. Ito, 3-piece to. Meron siyang bralette. So, medium yung binili ko sa size na to. So, I'm not sure kung in-expect ko kasi pag malaki-laki na ako. Yeah, perfect lang siya. Itong brown. Ayan. Ayan. Perfect lang yung size niya kapag malaki na yung aking belly. Malaki-laki na.
Mommy.
Yes, I bought some new pajamas for me. TK Maxx. You got lots of pajamas still. Ay, palobat na yating mic. And then itong design. Pare-pareho lang yung tela nila guys, malambot. So this one. Isa lang yung nabili kong long sleeve. So that. Ay, sana naalis nila lahat ng no? Minsan di kasi nakakalimutan nilang alisin yung alarm. Pero hindi man ako nag-alarm kanina. So I guess hindi naman nila nakalimutan. Ito, the rest is small na. So, pero stretchable naman siya. So, and soft naman yung tela niya. And then this one, another short sleeve. Nakabili ako ng 4. 4 the PJs. Strawberry siya. Do you like this one, baby? Strawberry. It's cute, isn't it? I got 4 PJs. New PJs, Dada. I got new PJs from Mama Holly. And the last one yung long sleeve.
Hello.
Hello, sabi niya. Hello daw.
Did you drink your water?
Ito, Benetton. Brand ba yun? Brand yun, di ba? Benetton. Cute niya lang. Ito lang yung nabili ko na long sleeve. Ayan. So, 4 pairs of new PJs. So cute. Do you like it? Yeah? It's good? Good buy? And then, ito nga ang ating bio oil for my belly. And ating sarap. Yeah. Yung isang luggage namin, nalock ni Ben sa yun sa code na lock. And never ko siyang nilalock doon. Kasi hindi ko naman sinetap yung codes niya. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam anong code niya yan. Nilock niya doon. So, good luck kung mabuksan niya yan, no? Ating hindi ko naman na ito re-return. Guys, ready to see the baby?
Oh, Holly, look!
Are you ready? Look, Kali, can you sit down here? You want to see the babas? This is a picture of the baby.
You want to see our new baby?
Okay, sitting down. Sit down.
And we've got
1, 2, 3, ta-da! Oh, look! Nakita niyo ba yung reaction ni Harley? Look, there's a lot of photos of the baby. Look at the head. That's the arms.
The nose. You can
The
see
nose. Oh, look. The body.
Body.
Body. Good girl.
It's like I'm out of here. Look,
And
Riker.
where's the video on your phone, gorgeous?
I look at the hands. Where's the one with the hands?
It's beautiful. That's the baby you were asking Daddy about when I picked you up today.
Where's the one that's saying hello? Ah, here. Look at the hands. Can you count the fingers?
1, 2, 3.
4. It's more in
Where's
there.
your phone, Mum?
No.
Don't have a video.
Look, it's moving. See, it moved. Oh. Look at the other one. See, it's moving, Harley. Here. Harley, oh, look. Look, Harley, it's moving. Oh. Oh, can you see the heartbeat? That's the heartbeat, see? It's beating. See, that's the heartbeat. Tuk, 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 tuk.
Baby is for
The baby is? What? The baby is angry? Did you say? What did Holly said?
Baby is happy.
Oh, the baby's happy. Look, can you see the heartbeat there, baby?
What is it?
There. See? Can you see that pulse? Duk, duk,
To
duk, duk, duk,
fight
duk.
the fake of a weapon. Weapon. Fake.
What's this?
So, what's this?
Huh?
What's this?
What's this, Holly? It's a...
Baby. Tommy go 3. That's a baby.
Yeah, that's a baby. Good girl. That's a baby, she said. Hey, oh my God, you finish your snacks right away. Ayan, magluto na tayo guys dahil gutom na mga kiddos. Late na ako nakapagluto. Magpuputas muna sila. Ay, sus.
Mini. Mini.
Salmon pala ulam namin tonight.
Okay, let's make just one more number. I promise it's really special. Do you want to know why? Because it consists of two numbers.
Hey, Baba.
Number one, which we all
So, ng prutas ni Riker Plin. Ako, kainin ko tong mangga. Kasi nagbaon sila and kumain sila ng almusal nito kaninang maga. Akin yung buto.
let me speed up with the gluing. Awesome. We can get to the coloring.
Sarap. Gusto ko yung brand na Honey Gold.
Here it goes. Number one, you will be
Matamis. Mainit dito. So, gagawa ako ng ice candy nila na mango or strawberry flavor.
great. Now let's check out
Gusto ko nga gumawa ng avocado flavor eh. Bibili, nakalimutan ko, pili muna ako ng condense.
number two. We made it.
Na-miss ko yun before we used to do that. Avocado ice candy.
Up next is the number three. You go right here, green little fella.
Ang tamis.
Here's the number four.
So, bali yung basurahan ko pala, nilagay ko muna sa labas para hindi siya maka-attract ng itong mga little bugs. Maliliit lang naman siya. Sinanong ko sa ChatGPT kung ano siya, sabi niya fruit fly pala siya. So, I don't know. Sabi, it's breeding dyan sa may sink. So, gabi-gabi, inaano ko na. Kapag gabi, sinasara ko na yung, ano dyan, plug. Nilalagyan ko na ng plug ba. Kasi hindi ko alam saan sila nagagaling eh. So, ating sa plug, sa ano nga, sa may sink. Ayan, dinner na kami guys. Salmon kami with mash. Yan yung akin, si Ben. Patapos na siya guys. Hindi na siya makapag-hintay. Kay Riker. Kain na tayo, palobot na tong camera ko. Sarap! Namiss ko ang salmon. Nagsalmon naman kami sa Pinas. Pero nagsinigang. Sinigang sa may salmon.
I lose my breath.